Hertz CEO stepping down. Hertz, a leading global car rental company, has announced a change in leadership as it shifts its strategy away from electric vehicles, EVs, due to rising costs. The company revealed that Stephen Scher will resign from his role as CEO and board member of Hertz Global Holdings Inc. by the end of March. Scher, who previously spent nearly 30 years at Goldman Sachs, has led Hertz for just over 2 years. His departure is linked to the challenges Hertz faces with the escalating repair expenses and dwindling demand for EV rentals. It costs the company much more money to repair a Tesla vehicle. They offered Tesla Model 3 versions and Tesla Model Y vehicles. I personally loved the experience they had when renting a Tesla vehicle through the Hertz app and using the Tesla application to use as the key. In a strategic move earlier this year, Hertz decided to sell about 20,000 EVs from its U.S. fleet, which represents roughly a third of its global EV holdings. This decision marks a pivot towards gasoline-powered vehicles, despite prior encouragement from the Biden administration for Hertz's investment in EVs as part of a broader initiative to electrify the transport sector for climate goals. This shift in strategy led to Hertz reporting its most significant quarterly loss since 2020, following its transition away from electric cars. Scher, who took the helm at Hertz as it was recovering from bankruptcy, had initially placed significant bets on the EV market. Gil West, formerly the chief operating officer at Delta Airlines and GM's cruise division, is set to succeed Scher as CEO starting April 1st. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Thanks for watching.